Hello, friends. Welcome back. I do want to do a quick little note. I do apologize for my voice. It's I think I'm recovering from something. I couldn't tell you what, but it it was tough. But I just want to give y'all an update on my windmill palm. So today is March 30th, and as you can see, I've had better winters here. I've had better winters. You can see these are all the spears that have came out from the center. And yeah, it has not been a good winter for my palm tree. I was not able to protect it. We had a low of 6 degrees. So compared to last winter it got down to 8. But this winter, we had 3 nights of 6-degree lows in a row with snowfall cover. So I think that's what really affected it this much. We had a couple of days during that 6-degree low of, I think the highs were in the low 20s, maybe 19. Yeah, it was a very hard winter for this poor palm tree. Most of the fronds, as you can see, have damage on it. The lower ones are a little bit more green. They have a little bit more protection from it when we did have that cold. But it's definitely been through a lot. I'll go ahead and show you the center. I did some hydrogen peroxide treatments. There's no foul smell. There's nothing that is too worrisome of it not coming back this spring. We've already had a couple of days in the 80s, so honestly I'm fairly optimistic that it's going to pull through. This one that came out right before it started getting cold, I can't say that it's alive, it's gone, but I'm feeling pretty optimistic. I haven't seen these fronds on the outside get any worse. They've had like the front 35-50% of their fronds affected, but I haven't seen any more green go away in the past month, I would say, not since the beginning of February. So I'm optimistic. I think we're gonna have some regrowth in the sphere, in the center, but it's absolutely ginormous. We're over 2 feet when it comes to the trunk, so it's a big boy, but it just had a very tough winter. And even beyond the 6-degree nights, we had so many nights in the low teens, between 11, 12, 13. It was just rough. And we'll see where this takes us. Honestly, I'm feeling very optimistic. Like I said, I think it's going to be a good spring. I think by May, late May, I do think our center will start regrowing. It doesn't look completely dead to me. I can't accept it. Maybe it's denial, but I just wanted to give you a quick update. I do think it's going to come back from 6 degrees. I've heard windmill palms come back from even lower, but I don't know. It's just the snow it stuck around for almost a month. We had our first snowfall, I think January 6th, and right into like maybe the first week of February, we had snow on the ground, and that's just very, very unusual for Central Virginia. But thank you all so much for watching. I wanted to give you all an update. Thank you for sticking through with this voice of mine, but this is how it is. It's huge from last spring, last summer, but she's been through a little bit this winter. We'll see where this takes us. I do think we'll make it though. So thank you all so much for watching. It's always a pleasure. And I'll see you guys around hopefully very soon, in a couple weeks. Hopefully we'll see something in the middle, something come up. But until then, I hope to catch you guys around. You have a great rest of your spring. Bye-bye.